The secrets of Rosslyn Chapel, where history meets mystery. Beneath the misty hills of Scotland, hidden in the quiet village of Rosslyn, south of Edinburgh, stands a church unlike any other, a place where faith, myth, architecture, and conspiracy all collide. It is whispered that this building holds secrets that could change the course of history. It has been linked to the Knights Templar, the Holy Grail, the bloodline of Christ, and even Freemasonry. This is not just a chapel. This is Rosslyn Chapel, a riddle carved in stone. Today, we will explore its history, its legends, and the haunting mysteries that still defy explanation. The Chapel in the Shadows. Rosslyn Chapel was founded in 1446 by Sir William St. Clair, a nobleman of high standing in the Scottish court and a descendant of the powerful St. Clair family. It was originally called the Collegiate Church of St. Matthew, but today it's better known simply as Rosslyn Chapel. From the outside, it looks like many other medieval churches, a stone structure wrapped in Gothic charm. But the moment you step inside, you know this is different. Hundreds of intricate carvings cover every inch of the stonework: angels, demons, green men, strange symbols, and unexplainable figures. Even after 500 Saal, no one can fully explain what they all mean. Part 2, a masterpiece in stone. Let's talk about the architecture. Rosslyn Chapel is one of the most detailed and richly carved buildings in all of Europe. Every surface is a canvas. Every pillar tells a story. Perhaps the most famous is the Apprentice Pillar, a beautifully twisted column near the high altar. Legend says the master mason went away to study how to complete it. While he was gone, his apprentice carved the pillar himself. When the master returned and saw the work, jealous of the apprentice's skill, he murdered him on the spot. Today, both their faces are carved into the chapel walls, one filled with pride, the other with rage. But that's only one legend. There are hundreds. Symbols that shouldn't be there. Among the carvings are plants and symbols that should not exist in 15th century Scotland. There are clear depictions of maize, corn, a crop native only to America, and supposedly unknown to Europe until Columbus's voyage in 1492. But Rosslyn Chapel was built decades earlier. So how did the stonemasons carve something they shouldn't have seen? Was it just coincidence? Or did the St. Clair family know about the New World before anyone else? Many believe the chapel hides maps, codes, and messages predicting future events, or reflecting ancient knowledge lost to time. The Templar connection. The Rosslyn Chapel is often linked to the Knights Templar, the legendary warrior monks who vanished mysteriously in the 18th Safar. Some theorists suggest the Templars didn't vanish, they went underground, and the St. Clair family protected them. Rosslyn is said to be one of their final strongholds. The crosses, symbols, and even the architectural layout of the chapel seem to reflect Templar geometry, sacred math, spiritual codes, and Masonic secrets. Even the Holy Grail, yes, the very cup of Christ, is said to be hidden beneath the chapel, guarded by secrets passed through generations. Truth or myth? Nobody knows, because the crypt beneath the chapel has never been fully opened to the public. Rosslyn and the Holy Blood. The chapel became even more famous after the publication of Dan Brown's bestseller, The Da Vinci Code. In the novel, Rosslyn Chapel is the climactic location, where the secret of the bloodline of Jesus is hidden. Brown wasn't the first to make that claim, but he made it popular. Some theorists believe that Jesus survived the crucifixion, married Mary Magdalene, and their descendants lived on, protected by secret societies like the Priory of Sion and the Templars. Rosslyn Chapel, they claim, is a tomb of secrets, a sacred vault, and a symbol of divine lineage. Whether you believe it or not, one thing is clear. Rosslyn makes you question everything. Music in the stones. In a truly fascinating twist, researchers discovered that musical notes might be encoded in the carvings of Rosslyn Chapel. A father and son team, Thomas and Stuart Mitchell, spent years studying the patterns carved into arches, and eventually decoded a musical composition they called the Rosslyn Motet. Could it be that the builders encoded music in stone 500 Saal ago? Was it a hymn of praise? A spiritual key? A secret code? No one knows, but the music exists, and it's hauntingly beautiful. A living mystery. Today, Rosslyn Chapel is more than just a church. It's a living puzzle. Pilgrims, tourists, historians, conspiracy theorists, and seekers of the truth all walk the same path. It has survived the Reformation, wars, neglect, and wild rumors, and yet, it still stands, quiet and calm among the Scottish hills. Its carvings remain untouched, its script remains locked, and its legends continue to grow. So, what is Rosslyn Chapel really? A place of worship, a Templar treasure vault, a Masonic temple, or simply a brilliant work of art built by visionaries? That's for you to decide. But if you ever visit Scotland, don't just see the castles and the locks. Walk into Rosslyn Chapel, look at the stone angels, trace the vines carved in the walls, and ask yourself, what secrets are still buried here, waiting to be discovered.